Netflix is building real-life entertainment wonderlands. Elon Musk just created an entire company run by robots. Apple might be teaming up with Google for a super smart Siri. And get this, $249 smart glasses that can remember everything you say. We've got the scoop on today's hottest AI stories. Welcome to Kitty AI Daily, your go-to source for all the latest artificial intelligence news. I'm your host, Kitty, and I'm absolutely buzzing with excitement about today's stories. We're talking about some game-changing developments that are going to reshape how we interact with technology, entertainment, and even reality itself. In today's episode, we'll dive into Netflix's massive new physical entertainment venues, Elon Musk's wild new AI-only company, the potential Apple-Google partnership for Siri, and some super affordable AI glasses that might just give you a photographic memory. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfortable, and let's jump right into these incredible stories that are breaking the internet today. All right, let's kick things off with something absolutely incredible from Netflix. You know how we all binge watch our favorite Netflix shows and wish we could step right into those worlds? Well, Netflix is making that dream a reality with their brand new Netflix house locations. Netflix just announced they're opening two massive 100,000 square foot entertainment venues, the first one in Philadelphia on November 12, 2025, and the second in Dallas on December 11, 2025. That's right, we're talking about spaces as big as 2 football fields filled with immersive experiences based on your favorite Netflix shows. Imagine walking through the Upside Down from Stranger Things, playing a real-life version of Squid Game's Red Light, Green Light, or attending a ball straight out of Bridgerton. These venues will have interactive games, VR experiences where you can fight demogorgons, themed mini-golf, and even set recreations so detailed you'll feel like you've been transported into your favorite shows. And get this, entry is completely free, though some of the premium experiences will require paid tickets. Philadelphia tickets go on sale October 17th, and Dallas tickets on November 18th. You can even sign up for early access on their website right now. Netflix's Chief Marketing Officer Marion Lee described this as fandom coming to life, where you can actually step inside the worlds you've been watching and loving for years. And that's exactly what it sounds like. This is a total game changer for entertainment. Instead of just passively watching shows, you'll be able to actively participate in these universes. It's like Disney World, but for Netflix originals. Plus, with a Las Vegas location planned for 2026 or 2027, this could be the beginning of a whole new type of entertainment destination. Imagine taking your family to a Netflix house for vacation instead of a theme park. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm already planning my trip to Philadelphia in November. Who wouldn't want to explore Hawkins, Indiana, or try to survive the Squid Game challenges in real life? This is absolutely incredible. Now let's talk about something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Elon Musk, the guy who loves to push boundaries, just announced something absolutely mind-blowing. A software company run entirely by AI agents with no humans in the loop. And wait for the name. He's calling it Macrohard. Yes, that's a play on Microsoft, and Musk says it's tongue-in-cheek, but the project is very real. Here's how it works. Musk's xAI has created a company where AI agents do everything: coding, image generation, video creation, office automation, you name it. At the center of it all is Grok, xAI's AI model, which acts like a CEO, spawning and coordinating specialized AI models for different tasks. It's basically a company of robots, managed by a robot, for humans. Musk announced this on X, formerly Twitter, on August 22, 2025, and even said they're hiring AI engineers to help develop the systems. They've already filed for the Macrohard trademark with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office, covering everything from AI-driven software products to tools for generating human speech and text, and even designing video games using AI. This could completely revolutionize how we think about companies and work. If successful, Macrohard might be able to develop software faster, cheaper, and more efficiently than human-run companies. We're talking about potentially supercharging innovation across the tech industry. But here's where it gets both exciting and a little scary. This represents a huge step toward AI autonomy. We're not just talking about AI tools that help humans work. We're talking about AI systems that can do the work themselves, coordinating with each other to create complex products and services. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this just another one of Musk's wild ideas that might not pan out? Well, the man has a track record of making the impossible possible, from electric cars to reusable rockets. So while Macrohard sounds absolutely crazy, I wouldn't bet against it becoming a reality. All right, get ready for some shocking news that might just break the internet. Apple, the company that famously does everything in-house, is reportedly in talks with its biggest rival, Google, to use Google's Gemini AI models to power a completely revamped Siri. I know, right? This is like Batman calling the Joker for help. It just doesn't happen. According to multiple reports, Apple has approached Google about building a custom version of Gemini to serve as the foundation for a next-generation Siri, potentially launching in 2026. Google is apparently training a special version of Gemini that could run on Apple's own servers, which makes sense given Apple's strong focus on privacy. But here's the really interesting part. Apple is apparently running an internal bake-off, developing two versions of the new Siri simultaneously. One powered by their own large language models, codenamed Linwood, and another using external technology, codenamed Glenwood. And they're not just talking to Google, they've also held discussions with OpenAI and Anthropic. This could finally give us the Siri we've always wanted. You know, the one that can actually understand context, remember previous conversations, and provide genuinely helpful responses rather than those frustrating, "I found this on the web," answers we've been getting for years. A partnership with Google would give Apple access to one of the most advanced AI systems in the world, potentially leapfrogging years of development. For Apple, it's a pragmatic move to catch up in the AI race where Siri has frankly been falling behind competitors like Alexa and Google Assistant. Now, let's talk about something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. A Harvard startup called Halo is launching smart glasses that could give you something close to a photographic memory. And get this, they only cost $249. The Halo X smart glasses are designed to continuously listen to and transcribe every conversation you have, then use AI to recall and display information in real time right in front of your eyes. The founders call this vibe thinking, real-time augmentation of cognition that aims to make users super intelligent with what they describe as infinite memory. Here's how they work. The glasses use microphones, no camera in the current version, to record and transcribe conversations in real time. Then, using AI models from Google's Gemini and Perplexity, they can instantly display relevant information, answers, translations, and prompts to the wearer via a special display that only the user can see. They support over 60 languages and even claim that recordings aren't stored, though we'll have to see about that. The glasses are available for pre-order now and are expected to ship in the first quarter of 2026. The company has raised $1 million from investors and already has about 20 testers in Silicon Valley trying out the device. Imagine never forgetting a name, a detail from a meeting, or an important conversation again. These glasses could essentially give you a perfect memory and instant access to information, all while looking like regular glasses. But, and this is a big but, there are some serious privacy concerns here. Always-on recording devices raise all kinds of questions about consent and data security. While Halo claims they're planning end-to-end encryption and won't store audio recordings, we've seen how these promises can sometimes fall short in the tech world. Wow, what an absolutely incredible day in AI news. Drop a comment below and let me know which of today's stories blew your mind the most. Are you excited to visit a Netflix house? What do you think about Musk's Macrohard? How do you feel about Apple potentially using Google's AI? And would you wear those memory-enhancing smart glasses? The pace of AI development is absolutely staggering, And it's clear that we're living through a technological revolution that's going to change virtually every aspect of our lives, from how we entertain ourselves, to how we work, to how we remember information. If you found today's news as fascinating as I did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Kitty AI Daily for all the latest AI news. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, because things are moving so fast in the world of AI that you don't want to miss a thing. Thanks so much for watching today's episode. I'll see you tomorrow with more mind-blowing AI news. Stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the future. Peace out.